friends, this is Riddhima Rengesh and welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to solve this Rubik's Cube with the beginner's method. So let's start. This part is facing towards me. So this is the front. This is the back. This is the right. This is the left. This is the up and down. The clockwise movements are front, back, right, left, up and down. And the anti-clockwise movements are front inverted, back inverted, right inverted, left inverted, up inverted and down inverted. Step 1. We need to make a daisy. This is a daisy. It has a yellow centerpiece and 4 white edge pieces. First, we should check for the yellow centerpiece. It is here. Now, we check for the middle row has any white pieces or not. There is a white edge piece here, so we rotate it like this. There is another white edge piece here, so we rotate it like this and then like this. Now, there is a white edge piece here, so we move it front clockwise twice. 1, 2. Now, there is another white edge piece here. We need to make it right above here. So, we move it like this. So, it's above here. Now, front, front. There we got our daisy. Sometimes our white came here, but we need to make it here. So, we follow this equation. Front inverted, up and left inverted. We got a daisy. In some situations, the white came here, but we need to make it here. So we follow this equation. Front, up and left inverted. We got our daisy. Step 2. We should make the white cross. After making the daisy, we need to match the centerpiece with the white edge piece. If there's an orange here, there should be an orange here. Then front, front. Next, there's a blue here, there should be a blue here. Then front, front. Next, there's red here and here, but it is not a white edge piece. So, white edge piece, red, red. Front, front. Then, there's a green here. There should be a green here. Front, front. Then we flip it. We see we made the white cross. Step 3. We should arrange the white corners. This is our front part. We take the centerpiece, which is red, and take the centerpiece of the right part, which is blue. So this corner should be red, blue and white. It is right here, red, blue and white. We need to make this corner down. So we move this to the right hand side and then we do this formula. Right inverted, down, right. So we got the corner down. Next, we move it like this so that the red centerpiece and the red corner are matched and the blue centerpiece and white are together and blue is down. Now we change the face so that the white part of the corner is facing towards us. And then we do this formula. Down, left, down inverted, left inverted. We got our first corner. Next, we need to fix the second corner. This time we have the blue as our centerpiece and orange as our centerpiece of the right part. So our corner will be blue, orange and white. It is here on the top. So we do the same formula that we did before. We take it to our right hand side and then right inverted, down, right. But this time we got it down. Blue, orange, white. So when we bring it towards the blue centerpiece, it's not getting matched. So we do the next formula to bring it here. The formula is right inverted, down, down, also called as down 180. Right, and then we got blue, orange, white here. So when we move it like this, blue, blue, it matched. Orange, white and orange is under. Now we do the formula we did before to bring it here. Change the face so the white is facing towards us. Now we do down, left, down inverted, left inverted. So our second corner is also ready. Now we go to the third corner. This time our centerpiece will be orange and the centerpiece of the right will be green. So the corner will be orange, green and white. It is here, orange, green, white. It is under. So what we do is we do this formula. Right inverted, down 2 times, down 180 and then right. We got it here, orange, green and white. Now we bring it here and see that it matches. Orange, orange, green, white and green is under. Now make the white corner face towards us. Now we do this formula. Down, left, down inverted, left inverted. And then we have completed our third corner. For the next corner, we take the green as the centerpiece and red as the centerpiece of the right. So the corner will be green, red and white. It is here, green, red, white. So for this, we take the formula as right inverted, down and right. And therefore, we have completed the white. Step 4. We need to solve the middle layer. First, we check for an edge piece here that does not have yellow. This does not have yellow, only green and red. So, we move it towards the green. Since the red is on the right side of the green, we move the edge piece to the opposite side of red and then right inverted, down and right. Now we have displaced the white, so we replace it using the method we used before. Make this as the face since the white is facing towards us. So down, left, down inverted, left inverted. We have solved the first middle layer edge piece. Next, we find an edge piece that is red and blue. It is here, red, blue. It forms a blue T. Since the red is on the left side of blue, we move it to the opposite side, that is right. Then we do this equation. Left, down invert and left invert. Now we face the white towards us. Since we displaced it, we should replace it. Face the white towards us. Last time we got white here. This time we got white here on the right. So we do a different equation. Down invert, right invert, down and right. We have fixed this edge piece. Sometimes our edge pieces get stuck like this. For that, I have an equation. Down inverted, right inverted, down and right. Now that we have displaced the white, we put it back here. Face the white towards us, then down, left, down inverted, left inverted. Now our edge piece came here. Now we put it back here. So we do down inverted, right inverted, down, right. Then we put the white back by facing the white towards us. Down, left, down inverted, left inverted. We have put the green and red edge piece here. We have solved the middle layer. Step 5. We need to make a yellow cross. Sometimes we should do this equation multiple times to get the cross. The equation is that front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted and front inverted. We got the yellow cross. Step 6. We should solve the yellow corners. Whenever we are solving the yellow corners, a yellow corner should be facing the left. And the equation is that right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. We have to do this multiple times till we solve all the corners. It's facing towards the left, this corner. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. A yellow corner is facing towards the left. Again, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. We have solved the yellow corners. Step 7. we should orient the corners. That means that these two corners should match with the centerpiece. There's a green here, there should be a green here and here. If you don't have any corners oriented, then you can choose any side as your face. But if you have one side oriented, you can take that face's opposite side as your face. Then I will show you the equation. Right inverted, front. Right inverted, back, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, back, right, right. Now you turn and see that you have oriented the corners. Step 8. This is the last step. You should arrange the yellow edge pieces. Sometimes while orienting the corners, you might have solved one side. So take that side's opposite side as your face. Next, we do this equation. Front, front, up, left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. You might have to do this equation multiple times. Front, front, up, left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. Congratulations, you have solved the Rubik's Cube. If you have any doubts, comment below. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye.